guys, welcome to my another vlog. Is the four corner room, one door open. This my mama. I don't know English. Sorry, the uncle. Uncle. Okay. Good job. And this is chair. One, two, three, four, five. Plastic four chair. One is cutting the chicken. Wood. There's one wood chair and one plastic chair. There's books. মানে সারিবদ্ধভাবে কি বলে আমি জানি না জি a line books is very nice but his stalls that nice something is higher math is nice but I don't মাথার উপর দিয়ে
over my head.
ceiling fan was damaged am I right
Okay.
why
Banga.
oh I know it's God Lord of Krishna and Jai Mataji Radhe Sri Prabhupada no as one light is I don't know but I tried my English is fun English what is this this name is
Holders. Like.
wood light holder but not a light this one light is room in sun left side this sun is my head up and ceiling fan one ceiling fan this one ceiling fan was not round not round because it's power off the English every time try fun English learning English this start is এইভাবে ইংরেজি এইভাবে শুরু হয়
Like.
হোয়াট ইজ লাইক এইভাবে শুরু হয়
Likely.
লাইক ইংলিশ
Likely started.
like it studied this fun English. So I'm regular try is English every day is study because English is fun English. So every day wrong speaking, every day try every day. You're your best. So who is the curtain box in ভিতরে ইংরেজি into There is a black dress. It's gator. 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 Oh, nice. Oh, I have one question. He is a teaching, right? The one teacher, one Bangla, one Bangla. The sir. What is the spelling in sar? Sar Bangla ki? Can you tell me please? No. Bull wrong answer. So okay, bye bye, tata.